everyone. So for another video, I'm just going to make a summary of the topic in the content of chapter 3, which tackles about network protocols and communication. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. In establishing the rules, the protocols used are specific to the characteristics of the communications methods, including the characteristics of source, destinations, and channels. These rules or protocols must be followed or ordered the message to be successfully delivered and understood. Message encoding. Message encoding, one of the first steps to sending a message is encoding it. Encoding is the process of converting information into another acceptable form for transmission. Decoding reverses this process in order to interpret information. Encoding and decoding. When a message is sent from a source to specific destinations, it must use a specific format or structure. Message formats depend on the type of message and the channel that is used to deliver the message. Message size. When a long message is sent from a host to another over a network, it is necessary to break the message into smaller pieces. The rules that govern the size of the pieces or frames communicated across the network are very strict. They can also be different depending on the channel. Used frames that are too long or too short are not delivered. Message timing. Hosts on a network need access method to know when to begin sending messages and how to respond when errors occur. Source and destination hosts use flow control to negotiate correct timing for successful communication. Hosts on the network also have rules that specify how long to wait for responses and what action to take if response timeout occurs. Message delivery options. A one-to-one delivery option is referred to as unicast, meaning that there is only single destinations for the message. Another one is when a host needs to send message using one-to-many delivery operations, it is referred to a multicast. Multicasting is delivery of the same message to a group of host destinations simultaneously. If all hosts on the network need to receive the message at the same time, a broadcast is used. Rules and govern communication. Various network and computer protocols must be able to interact and work together for network communication to be successful. A group of interrelated protocols necessary to perform a communication function is called protocol suite. Protocol suites are implemented by host and networking device in software, hardware, or both. The figures illustrate HTTP interactions of protocols. Protocol stack. There are HTTP or the Hypertext Transfer Protocols, the TCP or Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol or IP, and Ethernet. HTTP defines the content of formatting of the requests and responses between the client and the server. TCP divides the HTTP messages into smaller pieces called segments. Segments are sent between the web server and client processes running at the destination's host. IP is responsible for formatting segments into packets. Networks access protocols describe through two primary functions: communications over the data link and the physical transmission of data on the network media. The protocols in IP, HTTP, and DHCP are all part of the Internet protocols known as Transmission Control Protocol or IP. The TCP/IP protocol suite is an open standard, meaning these protocols are freely available to the public and any vendor is able to implement these protocols on their hardware, on their software. The IP suite is suite of protocols required for transmitting and receiving information using the internet It is commonly known as TCP/IP because the first two networking protocols defined for this standard were TCP and IP. The open standard mainstream has replaced other vendor proprietary protocol suites such as AppleTalk, Nobel's, Internetwork, Packet Exchange, Sequence Packet, and Exchange. The four layers of TCP and IP models are first, application, second, transport, 3, internet, and 4, the network access. Protocol operation of sending a message and receiving a message. Standards organizations are important in maintaining an open internet with freely accessible specifications and protocols that can be implemented by any vendor. ISOC or Internet Society facilitates the open development of standards and protocols for the technical infrastructures and internet, including the oversight of the Internet Architecture Board or IAB. ISO, the International Organization for Standardization, is the world's largest developer of international standards for a wide variety of products and services. ISO is not an acronym for the organization name. The ISO term is based on the Greek word isos, meaning equal. The International Organization for Standardization used the ISO term to affirm its position as being equal to all. Protocol design for the benefits of using layered model. Assisting protocol design foster competitions because products from different vendors can work together, prevents technology or capability changes in one layer from affecting other layers above and below, provides a common language to describe networking functions and capabilities. Application. The application layer provides the means of end-to-end connectivity between individuals and human networks using data network. Network. The network layer provides service to exchange individual pieces of data over the network between identified end devices. Data link. The data link layer protocols describe methods for exchanging data frames between devices over a common media. The presentation layer provides for common presentation transferred between application layer services. Session. The session layer provides services to the presentation layer to organize its dialogue and to manage the data exchange. The transport layer defines services to segment, transfer, and reassemble the data for individual communication between the end devices. And the last one is the physical. The physical layer protocols describe the mechanical, electrical, functional, and procedural means to activate, maintain, and deactivate physical connection for bit transmission to and from a network device. Application represents data to the user plus encoding the dialogue. Transport supports communication between diverse devices across diverse networks. Internet determines the best path through the network, and network access controls the hardware device and media that make up the network. The simulation activities intended to provide foundation segmentation or breaking communication into pieces, multiplexing, interleaving the pieces as they traverse the media, and multiple communication are interleaved, giving each user a part of the bandwidth. The division of data stream into smaller pieces is called segmentation. Just by sending smaller individual pieces for sources to destinations, many different conversations can be interleaved on the network. Segmentation can increase the reliability of network communications. The separate pieces of each message need not travel the same pathway across the network from source to destination. Data encapsulation is the process that adds additional protocol header information to the data before transmission. In most forms of data communications, the original data is encapsulated or wrapped in several protocols before being transmitted. De-encapsulation is the process used by receiving device to remove one or more of the protocol headers. The data is de-encapsulated as it moves up the stack towards the end user application. When a host needs to send a message on the default gateway to a remote network, it must use the router, also known as the default gateway. The default gateway is the IP address of an interface on a router on the same network as the sending host. If no default gateway addresses is configured in the host, or if it's wrong, default gateway is specified messages and address to host and remote networks cannot be delivered. Each device knows that IP address and the router through the default gateway as the MAC address of the default gateway is then placed on the bridge. So, thank you for watching this video. So, if you are interested in more videos that I'm going to do, please stay tuned. So, here again, Camille, Sosa, signing